Hello and welcome to this video, and in this video I'll be explaining if you want to publish a book and if you're facing an issue, and this is primarily for those authors who have published their book with us. So when you publish a book with us, your book will be available on Kindle store, so you can definitely promote and share the link and your book will be available for purchase. But if you are currently we are facing this issue with Amazon where we are getting this error. So the primary reason is because in India the ISBN number is provided by the government, and when it is provided by the government, it takes time to update globally. So in this situation, what happens here is when you are going to list your book on Amazon, so you need GS1 certificate. So typically if you are based out of India, you are in US, UK, Canada, wherever you are. So if you want to get an ISBN, you have to pay for it, and typically cost $35 to $50. So it is quite expensive there. But in India, it is provided by the government. That is the advantage. And we as a publisher, what we do is we are registered with the government as commercial publishers, and we basically work with publishers like you, with authors like you, and we publish your book on your behalf. So in this situation, we get the ISBN number and we basically try to list it on Amazon, and this is the problem that we typically face. So the solution here is you have to reach out to Amazon, and then you have to share the image of the book. So this is the front cover of the book, this is the back cover of the book where the ISBN number is visible, and then you have to share the inside page. This is the back cover and this is the inside page where the publisher printer's name is mentioned, address, phone number and ISBN number, and the author name has to be mentioned on the book cover. So this is very essential. So that is the reason why if you are publishing a book or if you are planning to publish a book, it is very helpful. It will be very helpful if you print a couple of copies of your book, and we will store it at our location at our library, and whenever there is an order, we'll pack it and ship it to the customer, and whatever the payment that we receive, we are going to share that with you at the month end. So that is the primary reason. But if you just want to list it on Kindle store, you can do that very easily. That there is no hassle because we are running that platform. But on Amazon, this is a very specific problem that is very unique, very new. So that is the reason why I'm making this video, and I hope this message was I was able to convey this message properly to you. If you have any question or queries, please connect with us, and please reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching this video. We look forward to work with you, and we request you to keep certain copies with us, so we can fulfill your online orders, and we can list your book on Amazon without any problem. Thank you.